Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Aaron Foldylock. It's a bicycle lock. Patented, lightweight, high security lock with bracket. Award-winning secure folding lock with key or with three keys for electronic bikes, road bikes, motorcycles, mountain bikes as well. Everything you have to lock, you can use this Foldylock for this job. The color is black, as you can see. High safety. The extremely solid folding lock guarantees optimal protection for our bicycles, motorcycles, or scooter against attacks with a bolt cutter, with a drill, or a saw. The Foldylock lock from Aaron with security level 14 is therefore extremely theft proof. And it's a patented rivet technology. The hardened, waterproof, and weatherproof rivets are particularly strong, quiet, and easy to move. European Design Award winner, the lock beats all its competitors in safety class 14 with a weight under 1 kilogram. This is lightweight extreme. Because I owned a lot of them before, and no one was under 1 kilogram. The flexible folding lock is easy to open and has a length of 85 centimeters. The bicycle folding lock comes with the frame bracket, 3 kings, not the kings, not the keys, and 2 extra straps. The mount ensures that the lock is quiet when driving and does not rattle. This is Aaron quality. Become part of the Aaron family, and we should trust more than 1,000 verified 5-star reviews from customers from all over Europe. That's really nice because it's a really reliable materials which they used here to create that awesome lock. And you can attach it by screws, as you can see. And of course, the other way is to make this with 2 stripes. This is awesome if your frame of your bicycle can hold 2 screws, for example. Yeah, like a drink holding system as well. And in this case, you can go and dock this by using these strips. And it's all inclusive. You can see, you have 2 screws included to mount it on your bicycle frame. And you have 2 of that stripes included to attach it by using the stripes. And it's so lightweight and smart designed. It is small, it is lightweight, and you can protect your bicycle where it should be protected as well on every part out there, no problem. A bicycle lock is a security device used to deter bicycle theft, either by simply locking one of the wheels or by fastening a bicycle to fixed objects as well. A bike rack, for example. And this part you can use for both. You can protect your car, not your car, or maybe your car too, no problem. You can protect your bicycle easily in a solo way, or you can use a bike rack for it. And then you attach it onto the bike rack. Yeah, that's really awesome. And you have a really fast release thing because the lock is so smooth and gentle, and it's quiet while you are driving. That's awesome. It's a really nice lock. On the market, there are U-locks or D-locks. They are really big and strong. Of course, they are strong, but they are so heavy. And they will need so much space on your frame. That's not so good, I think. Then you have chains on the market. The chain lock is a chain with the lock itself. It often has a key or a combination lock attached to it. I dislike that chain system because you can fast destroy it and steal your bike. That the chain way. I think that's not so good. Okay, or you can use a wheel lock. This is like a O, but this you have to attach on your frame all time, and that means you cannot use this smart. That means these wheel locks are only on the front wheel or on the rear wheel. Here you'll be free to use that as you like. And this, I think, is the best thing. This is the best thing to protect your bicycle against thieves. This is the really awesome and easy to attach, as you can see in that video, Aaron Foldylock bicycle lock. With a patented, lightweight, high security lock with bracket, award-winning secure folding lock with keys for electronic bikes, road bikes, motorcycles, mountain bikes, and in a wonderful, nice designed black finish, as you can see. It looks really good, it is lightweight, and it works really awesome. That's the all Aaron Foldylock. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.